Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Today is Tuesday, May 5th. So we are in the month of May and we're just rocking along. Our decision making is similar to the one yesterday. Remember, you have positive outcomes and negative outcomes with every choice you make. So sometimes it's good to look at the different options that you have to go from there. So you go to the movies with your family. You see your friends there and they didn't invite you. So your three possible solutions: send a mean message to all of your friends telling them how mad you are. Say hello to them, then enjoy the movie with your family. Pout during the entire movie and complain to your family about being left out. So our positive outcomes are on the left, our negative are on the right. You're going to put them in each section that you think they belong. You said what you wanted to say. Your friends are not upset with you. You have a great night with your family. You do not spend time with your friends. You hurt your feelings. You do not enjoy the movie, and you go to bed angry, causing restless sleep. So go ahead and log into Canvas and fill it out the way you think it should be filled out. If you guys have any questions, remember to reach out to me or Miss S. Have a great day.